Want to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. Now, if you already see an add link or website option, you can simply paste your link there and save it. But if you don't see that option, don't worry. This is very common. You just need to switch your account type. Go back to your profile, tap the three lines at the top right, and open Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Account. Now select Switch to Business Account and follow the setup steps. Once your account is switched, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile again. Now you'll see the website or add link option available. Tap on it, paste your link. This can be your website, Instagram page, YouTube channel, or any other URL, and hit Save. Once saved, your link becomes clickable in your bio. Anyone visiting your profile can now tap that link and go directly to your page. And that's it! You've successfully added a clickable link to your TikTok bio.